Welcome to Kuala Lumpur.
So many of us has this question of what is in this massive twin towers. So I thought let me show you all what it looks like, what is happening. I haven't climbed this up, but I can show you a little bit of what is happening in this building. So if you see here, this is just outside the Petronas building, but within the same compound of the Petronas towers. There's a lot of people who come down to take selfie pictures, videos, and want to make reels. So this is the twin towers, the massive world's largest twin towers. Still, it looks pretty beautiful. There's lots of people, and this place looks like a selfie point. It's pretty beautiful. So there's also professional photographers who are available all over this place. So if you want to take a very nice, beautiful picture of video, you can request this particular person who is going to come to you, and this will cost you around 10 ringgits per picture or 10 ringgits per a video. So at some point they might ask you to pay 50 ringgits, 20 ringgits. So I bargained for 10 ringgits per picture, which is pretty good, and I'm really happy with that picture which was taken. So if you really need a good capture of this twin towers, it's pretty good if you're coming right off outside this compound wall of this twin towers, where you get a full view of this twin towers.
Wow, guys, I can't believe I'm walking inside the Petronas Towers, the Twin Towers of Kuala Lumpur. It used to be one of the biggest building till 2014 in the world. Wow.
So we are inside the Petronas Towers on the ground floor right now. This is what you get to see, guys. There's a shopping center. It looks like any other shopping center when you just walk in inside, but it looks very special, very beautiful from outside. But inside looks the same as any other regular shopping mall.
I feel like I'm just walking in any other shopping mall actually. But I can't still believe that I'm still walking in the Petronas Towers and the world's still biggest, the longest, largest twin towers in the world.